safety and security net. Please take care and persons on and off trains as underfoot surfaces may be affected by the weather. Government guidance states public transport.
Hello folks, and welcome back to our Glasgow South Motor Tram Rail Group workshops. I'm doing a wee bit of locomotive maintenance today, and chap down south sent me a B12 and a Scotsman. The Scotsman's an old Triang Hornby model. On removing the body, I discovered the cylinder block had half in two, and somebody tried to glue it, which it just doesn't work. So I'll have to try and source one of them. It's the model with the firebox glow fitted into it. I don't know whether the firebox glow works or not. The B12, somehow or other the pickups had came loose. Now you've got a wee, I've never seen this before, it's a wee plate with notches out it. It must do more than one model, because one side's got 4 different notches, the other side's only got 2. So when you fit the pickup into the wee notches, that's what holds it in place. So I managed to get that back in. Actually I had bought a B12 of my own just a couple of weeks ago, and that's how I managed to find where the pickup's fitted. So hopefully that'll be alright. So once I get the camera set up and let you see a bit more, I'll be back. So here we are again, friends, and we have got that's my own locomotive, that one. I'll put that out of the way. So here we have the Scotsman, and here we have, I'll zoom in a wee bit for this part. This is what I found when I removed the body. Can't really see it. The two halves of the I'm meaning this first, for instance. Two halves of, put it in one hand would be handy, hey? Two halves of the cylinder block in my hand. So as I say, I'll have to source that, see if I can get a replacement. Should be able to get that. And we have the body of the B12. I've got the motor out at the moment because it seems to be giving a kind of thumping noise in reverse. I've got the motor out, and it seems to be, the motor seems to be alright anyway, so I don't know what's really causing that. So I'll have to look into that a wee bit further. The other thing is I can't find my oiler to oil these locos at the moment. It's down at my club somewhere, but I just can't even make my hands on it. So that's all I can really tell you at the moment, friends. A wee bit update on local servicing, and once I get these back together, I'll get them on the rolling road and see what amps they're drawing. Okay, Paul, here we are now, and we've got your B12 and your Scotsman running quite well on the rolling road. Both locomotives together are drawing half an amp. That's fine, that's roughly about 0.2 of an amp, around about that area each. Problem with that. I'll have them back to you pretty soon. Switch the direction. I'll slow them down first, let me see the. As you can see, you get pretty good at the slow running. So just changing direction. that's roughly about 10 volts, and she's drawn under half an amp now in the other direction. Sometimes you get that. So, first two locomotives running perfectly for you. I'll get them back to you tomorrow. You should have them beginning of next week. Quite pleased with that actually. Can actually. Yeah, there's two of them running right together. You can see them. You can see them there. Quite a simple wee job. Foot today, but we got there in the end. The only thing that you didn't send up was the wheels for the pony truck. I'll leave that for you to fit them. The weight. The weight in the tender. No rattling now, so you're alright there. That's about it. So, when you get these back, try them out. If you want to send the other two up, no problem, mate. We've done, as I say, the only money I'm owed is for the cylinder block, and I'll send you back the old cylinder block and the two halves so that you can see what was wrong. I always do that with people, send the old parts back to them. So, with that, I'll go now and catch.
Speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We will sort it, see it, say it, sort it.